Lurking in the Umpherston sinkhole down the back, some of the rougher looking but good-hearted sprint car drivers from the region of Mount Gambier. And this is the Mayor. Very nice to have you here, the Mayor of the City of Mount Gambier, Andrew Lee. It's wonderful to have your company in a beautiful part of Mount Gambier here.
Happy to be here.
This is a gorgeous spot. The sinkhole's very surprising when you actually get out how big it is.
So that's why you have to come here to experience yourself. You know, we can't tell everyone, but if you come here, you will experience it, how lovely our city can offer.
Absolutely. Now, it's only very close to the track, so everybody must get out here. Andrew, let's talk about the economic impact that this event will have for the city.
Well, I do believe that, as you know, council fully support it, and we can see the benefit out of it. And if I'm not wrong, we should be able to attract 3,000 to 4,000 people coming here for, like long weekends.
Yeah.
When you work on per person, how much times 3,000 to 4,000, and it's not difficult to work out. It will be bring a lot of good benefit into our city.
Absolutely. I mean, accommodation and consumables and, service station stuff and food and probably a little bit of alcohol as well. But a lot of people will spend a lot of time and money here, which is great. It's a beautiful city and there's lots to see and do. What's the best way is through websites to find out where everything is?
Yes. Recently we have launched Tourism Mount Gambier website. If the people interested to want to know more about our city, please get into the website and then find out more. And also, if they want, they can get into our city council website as well, and also some interesting place to recommend to the visitors to visit.
Discover Mount Gambier as well is a great place. In Beverly Hills, they do tours of the stars of their homes. Do you think we could get a tour of Stephen Lyons' house? Do buses run past there often, or?
Well, I think it works in mouth. It's the people come here, they enjoyed it, and then they can tell their friends. And hopefully we can get there one day.
Lyonsy, we'll just send the bus around to your joint, mate. You right with that?
Yeah, go for it. I want to do.
It's wonderful to have so many people come into your beautiful city, Andrew. We look forward to sending them all over the place to check out some really lovely spots. And, of course, the racetrack is beautiful too. Thank you so much on behalf of the Borderline Speedway for your council's support of this event.
Pleasure is always ours. It is our pleasure indeed. And I would like to see every single visitor enjoy their stay, while they are visiting our city.
This is where an impromptu round of applause breaks out amongst the drivers here from Mount Gambier. That was a golf clap, fellas. Very nice. Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you very much.
What a beautiful place this is.
And it is.